Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. We are discussing about the modernization and its role in development and the main factors of modernization. There are various definitions of modernization and development, but mainly it refers to deep changes in human thinking, behavior, mentality, and way of social and political life. When a society is modernized, it will experience many psychological, social, cultural, economic, and political changes. In other words, when we talk about modernization, it means there are some old and traditional things or system which no longer work or function properly. Therefore, there is a need to replace them with a new system tailored to fulfill modern day's need. Based on this, when a society is modernized, the human energies are coherently focused on how to exploit the social and natural environment for reaching human purposes. The main feature of a modern society includes having independent government, high level of urban life, high level of literacy, human motivation, industrialization, educational services for all, high level of freedom of expression, and high level of democratization. In addition to these, social justice is another component which is considered one of the main feature of modernized society. Social justice has three main indicators including equality in distribution of wealth, equality against law, and equality in distributing opportunities. In comparing the modernized society to traditional society, there are several main differences between the two of them. In modern society, interactions and recruitment are based on specialization, but in traditional society, social dealings are based on nepotism. Modern societies are highly independent, but traditional societies are highly dependent. Traditional societies act or react on the basis of traditional values such as nepotism, tribe, tradition, language, etc. But modernized society act or react on the basis of rationalism. In modernized society, there is a high level of money circulation in the market, but in traditional societies, there is no culture of trusting financial institutions and banks, and so money is kept as cash in the personal wallet. In modern society, there is a mutual relationship between cities and villages, but in traditional society, there is only unilateral flow of goods, and so the villages are always undeveloped. One of the most important factor of modernization is human motivation. Based on this idea, we need to seriously invest in human capital and cultivate the motives of advancement among the workplace, especially the high ranking managers. Thus, we believe that the parents can play a key role in motivation of children through having good behavior and encouragement. The parents should expect their children expel other and accordingly try to support them. The parents must not be autocrat and they must try to pave the way for their participation in daily family decision making process. Modernization needs modern human. Modern human is the one who is ready for accepting change and is willing to new experiences and methods. The modern human is independent, not under control of parents, elders, rich people, politicians, or government. It means freedom is an important precondition for creativity and advancement. Modern human is the one who believes in getting knowledge and motivate and ambitious. Modern man uses planning skills and always has short term plans, mid term plans, and long term plan. A modern human always know what he is going to do in the next 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very important, and the modernization of is the requirement of this world. Now the countries must modernize, the and the main factor of modernize is the modern man, which we are told you earlier. So in order to attain this, it has to work on governmental level, on religious level, on family level, on the every level of the society. And it is very important, the government will be small, but society will be big and more active. Then we will advance and promote the modernization to development. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.